Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we will take a look at the latest news about if the market is bullish or bearish, Ethereum news, what long-term goals for Ethereum is, some information about Robert Kiyosaki's point of view on the market, SEC, and something else. Okay, let's hit the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at 23,117, Ethereum a little bit under 1,600, BNB 266, XRP $36 Cardano almost $50, Solana at 43. The largest movers in the 24 hours are Bitcoin Gold with 23%, Curve DAO 20%, ApeCoin 15%, Synthetics 14%. In the last 7 days, Lido with 76, Ethereum Classic 74, Bitcoin Gold 43. The biggest losers, USDC 16, Quant 6, around 4%. So now let's get into the news. Bulls or bears? Both have a fair chance in Friday's Bitcoin Options Expiry. BTC Bulls aim to secure a 235 million profit from July 22nd's BTC Options Expiry, but a downside move below 22,000 could nix this plan. Bitcoin briefly broke above 24,000 on July 20th, but the excitement lasted less than 2 hours after the resistance level proved more challenging than expected. A positive is that the 24,280 high represents a 28.5 increase from the July 13th swing low at 18,900. The 4.6% advance on the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index between July 18th and 20th also provided the necessary hope for bulls to profit from the upcoming July 22nd weekly options expiry. Bears placed their bets at $21,000 or lower. The open interest for the July 22nd options expiry is 540 million, but the actual figure will be lower since bears have been caught by surprise. These traders did not expect a 23% rally from July 13th to 20th because their bets targeted 22,000 and lower. Now to Ethereum. All Ethereum killers will fail, says Block Demon's Freddy Zwanska. All the Ethereum killers from back in the day didn't succeed, and I don't expect them to succeed at all. Block Demon's Ethereum lead to Cointelegraph. Freddy Zwanska said, "It will continue to be a leader. I mean, obviously, the first and most important smart contract platform, and that's not going to change." The Block Daemon employee also took aim at so-called Ethereum killers, competing layer 1 blockchains which have tried to topple Ethereum from its leadership position but failed. All the Ethereum killers from back in the day didn't succeed, and I don't expect them to succeed at all. Crypto projects that have been touted as Ethereum killers include Solana, Cardano, Tezos, and Polkadot, among others. Many of these blockchains tout lower fees and faster transactions but have fewer active developers, and certain blockchains place less emphasis on decentralization. To date, none have managed to displace Ethereum from its number 2 spot in terms of market cap. The Ethereum merge involves transitioning it from the energy-intensive proof-of-work mining consensus to a proof-of-stake model, and has been tentatively scheduled to be rolled out around September 19th. However, Zwanska admitted the big future challenge for Ethereum. The original Ethereum roadmap was focused on sharding, but that's not so much the case anymore. Now we have a rollup-centric roadmap, so scaling via layer 2 solutions is possible. Are you excited for ETH 2.0? Hit it in the comments. What are the long-term goals for the Ethereum blockchain? Vitalik Buterin explains live at the ETHCC. For Buterin, building a better decentralized ecosystem requires short-term pain for long-term gain. On Thursday, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, shared his long-term vision for the namesake blockchain live at the annual Ethereum Community Conference, or ETHCC, in Paris. As told by Buterin, Ethereum is currently at an inflection point or period of rapid change, before the ecosystem's capability will eventually settle down. Currently, the foremost priority for Ethereum is building an easy-to-use light client for the consensus layer, execution layer, and layer 2 solutions by default. As for the long horizon roadmap, Buterin plans to upgrade Ethereum with better cryptographic technologies. For example, zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machines or ZK-EVMs. He also said that we need to keep an open mind. We don't know exactly what the needs of 2032 will demand. Now to an opinion of Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad's Robert Kiyosaki warns inflation may lead to greater depression. The famous author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, has warned that the current inflation may lead to a greater depression. He added that the real estate is crashing and foreclosures are up 700% from last year. Warning: inflation may lead to greater depression. Real estate crashing, foreclosures up 700% from last year, layoffs starting, dominoes are falling. Is your work or company which you work for vital to the economy? Are you necessary? If you are, you will do well. Take care. This was not the first time Kiyosaki has warned about an upcoming greater depression. Every 90 years there is a giant stock market crash followed by depression. 90 years ago was 1929, followed by the Great Depression lasting 25 years to 1954. He tweeted in August 2020. He also added, "Will history repeat? I believe so." Now to some information about the SEC. SEC labels 9 tokens as securities. The Securities and Exchange Commission and the Department of Justice brought charges against 3 individuals. However, the SEC's assertions that cryptocurrencies are securities are what caught everyone's attention and could hold greater implications for the crypto space. Which are these 9? The tokens mentioned in the complaint were AMP, RLY, DDX, XYO, RGT, LCX, Power, DFX, and Chrome. Coinbase on its part retorted that none of the cryptocurrencies it lists are securities. Coinbase as company also added, the SEC charges are an unfortunate distraction from today's appropriate law enforcement action. Now to the last news. Mike Novocratz warns that 200x returns from crypto are not normal. Former lunatic Mike Novocratz has told crypto investors that the insane returns seen in the crypto space are simply unsustainable. He had friends that had bought a lot of crypto and it had changed their lives. Guys who didn't make a whole lot of money but all of a sudden had a 5 million net worth in crypto, said Novocratz. He offered further caution, saying that not everyone is made to be an investor, because greed too often gets in the way of rational thinking. He also added that it's frustrating as heck because at times the whole industry looks like a bunch of idiots. Do you think that the crypto space has a lot more idiots than intelligent people in it? Please leave a comment and let's talk about it. These were the news for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell that you will not miss anything in the future. I wish you a wonderful day and also the best. Peace.